Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my husband's favorite dessert in the world. It's fruit pizza. My mother used to make it for him when we met 30 years ago, and it's been about 20 years since she's made him one. So I decided to go ahead and give it a try myself. Let me tell you what you need. You need a pizza pan. I'm going to spray it with Pam, or you can use parchment paper. Normally you get one of those rolls of the Pillsbury dough, but I couldn't find it in this area. They only had the Toll House cookie, so I had to get that one. Or you can make your own sugar cookie crust, or sugar cookie recipe. I'm going to use apple jelly as the glaze. Got a couple kiwi. I'm going to mix fresh fruit with canned fruit. I'm going to use canned chunk pineapple. Got a couple bananas. I have a lemon. I'm going to show you the trick I use with that. And I have blueberries. You need 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. It's been out for a while. I've got some fresh strawberries. I've got red seedless and green seedless grapes and a can of mandarin oranges. And then I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. So what I have to do is get the dough onto the pan. I'm going to spray it first. And then while that's baking, I have my oven set at 350 degrees. That will cook for 16 to 20 minutes. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. Those that know me, welcome back, and those that don't know me, welcome. Upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, so technically my mother always uses the tubed Pillsbury, and that was extremely hard to find. Actually, I couldn't find it anywhere, so I had to go with these little blocks. And I found another recipe that said you can use this, but you want to chip this in little bitty pieces and put this all over the tray and then smash it into a pie crust. It would have been simpler if I could have found the tubed sugar cookie dough, because then I could have put it in slices and I wouldn't have to chip this up like this. But I wanted to show you how to get this started. I have sprayed my pizza tray pan, sprayed it very well because I don't want this to stick. So as you see, this is pretty tedious. I'm just going to give you the gist of how this goes and then put you guys on pause and come back and show you how I plan to make this into like a pie crust, like for a pizza. Let me put you on pause. I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you the gist of this. It works better. This has to be cold. And I just found that if I wet my fingers a little bit with a little water, it goes together a lot easier. So I'm just pressing together what I've broken up so far to show you how I'm making this into a sugar cookie crust that you'll need for this recipe. And as you see, this is pretty easy, but like I said, if you want to make your own sugar cookie crust or sugar cookie dough mixture, go right ahead. So I just wanted to show you, see how easy this is. You wet your hands and just keep chipping it off. I'm going to put you guys back on pause and get this completed, then move on to the next step. And don't forget, you guys, I have a great joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know I like to upload 2 videos a week, and I try and respond to every comment I get. My loyal followers, I have over 1,000, and I keep saying it, but I haven't done it yet. I have another giveaway coming up in about 30 to 45 days. So you want to stick with me. I'll keep you guys posted on that. I already know what I'm giving away. I just got to figure out the rules of the contest according to YouTube. I'll put you guys back on pause and I'll come back when this is done. Okay everyone, I've got my pie crust, or my cookie crust, already patted out, and out of that pan I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 5.5 left. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 degrees, set the timer for 16 to 20 minutes. I don't want it real brown, but the recipe always calls for it to be golden brown. I don't want it quite that brown. So I'll be right back, and while I'm off camera, I'm going to be cleaning my fruit and showing you my hack on how to make your bananas not turn brown. Okay everyone, I just took my pie, the cookie dough out of the oven, and I wanted to show you the hack so the bananas don't turn brown. I have some of the pineapple juice there. I'm going to squirt some lemon juice in here, fresh lemon, and then I'm going to dunk the bananas in here just for a second or 2. That will keep them from turning brown. You're gonna have to trust me on this. I will not eat banana pudding or anything with bananas once it has turned brown. So you just wanna make sure this is dunked in there, like so. And then blot these dry, and that'll prevent browning on the bananas. That's my little hack for you guys today. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause. I'm just waiting for my cookie dough to cool. I'll be right back. And like I said, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm very grateful that you guys are watching. And hopefully you'll enjoy this video and this dessert. It's my husband's favorite. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, the cookie dough is nice and brown and cooked. So the final steps, I took about a good heaping tablespoon, or a good heaping spoonful of the apple jelly and put it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. So now I'm just going to mix the powdered sugar together, praying I don't need the mixer. I shouldn't, my mother said. If you want this sweeter, this is 1 cup of white confectioner sugar, with 8 ounces of cream cheese. If you want it sweeter, which if this was my dessert, I would definitely make it sweeter, but my husband likes it the way my mother makes it. So you just mix this together. You get this nice and smooth. And man, it's almost 11 o'clock at night, and I have been waiting all day, messing around, because you guys know that watch my channel, I do not like to cook, but I promised this for my husband, and he hasn't had it in 20 years, because my mother said she was going to make him one in a couple weeks, and I said I would go ahead and make one for my channel. I'm going to pull the dough out, and if you want this thicker, the instructions say use more powdered sugar, but this is just 1 cup of powdered sugar. And I probably would have piped it me myself. I just didn't feel like it. Like I said, it's almost midnight. So I'm gonna just smooth this out like this. And I just got fruit that I thought would look pretty. Like I said, I don't even know if my husband likes kiwi or not, but I thought it would look pretty for the pictures and everything. And he loves fruit. I don't like fruit. If anybody's ever followed any of my other videos with fruit, I only do cobblers and cookies and pies. I'm not a cake eater at all. Even though this isn't cake, but it's got a lot of fruit on there. So just smoothing this out best I can. And then you arrange the fruit. There's all kinds of ways you can do it. I'm just gonna do it in circles. And I've got my bananas all dipped. I'm gonna start with the strawberries, and I do have more if I run out. So I'm just gonna go around the edges like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is a homemade fruit pizza. So I'm showing you the gist of this. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back on pause and get this all set up. And I did block my mandarin oranges and my pineapple very dry, because you do not want them wet. It'll make this soggy. So I'll put you on pause for the last time, and stay with me. I have a great joke. Okay, the final step is to take the melted, yikes, it has congealed a little bit since it's been sitting here, the apple jelly, and dot this on top of it. It gives it like a glaze look, makes it look shiny. And there you have it, fruit pizza. Hopefully this is something your family will enjoy. Like I said, this is my husband's ultimate favorite dessert of all desserts. I don't know why he's so crazy about this, but he is. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, get ready to tell you guys my joke. Okay, everyone, there you have it, Jen's fruit pizza. If it's fruit season in your area, use whatever kind you like. You can get fresh peaches, whatever fruit you like. As you see, I just kind of tossed it together. It's not anything pretty, but there's a lot of designs. You can look on the internet and find really pretty ways to design this. Let me tell you my joke. A male patient in the hospital wearing an oxygen mask over his mouth and nose. A student nurse appears, gives him a partial sponge bath. He humbles wearing the mask. Please check me. Are my testicles black? The student nurse says, I don't know, sir. I'm only here to give you a partial sponge bath. Worried this might elevate his heart rate and blood pressure and oxygenation, she overcomes her embarrassment, pulls back the covers, raises the gown, holds his manhood in one hand and her testicles gently in the other. The student nurse says, there's nothing wrong with them, sir. They look fine to me. The man slowly pulls down his mask and smiles at her and says, well, thank you very much. That was wonderful. Now listen very closely. Are my test results back? Yep, that's it. Good nursing joke. I thought that was funny. Well, like I said, please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. And please come back for the next one. And God bless.